What's up, everybody? I'm David. I'm the CEO of Iron Apparel. Today I want to answer our two most frequently asked questions about our lifting straps. Number one, what do they do? And number two, how do I use them? Guys, the purpose of our lifting straps is to reinforce your grip strength on any lift where you're lifting anything heavy, whether it be a barbell and you're doing deadlift, or you're doing rack pulls, or it be a dumbbell, say you're doing a really heavy shrug or something like that, a lawnmower curl, anything like that where you're lifting up heavy weight and your grip strength might not be up to par. These reinforce your grip strength. So the way that they work is you're going to start by wrapping this around your wrist, and I'm going to come a little bit closer to the camera. Let me know when I'm good, Daniel. So it's got a loop right here on the end of it. So you're going to expand that loop, you're going to wrap it around your wrist, and you're going to slide the side with the grip tape through that loop, okay? And then you're going to cinch it down on your wrist, just like that. You see that? Okay, so then the second one, you're going to do the exact same thing. You're going to start with it on your wrist, and you're going to slide that grip tape side right through that loop. Just like that, until you end up with both of them, the grip tape inside of the palm of your hands and the logo on the outside of your wrist. It'll make sense to you because the neoprene padding is going to fit comfortably right on your wrist, and that it feels like it should go there. So then what you're going to do is you're going to go up to, now this could be a dumbbell or any type of weight, which for this example we've got our barbell. So you're just going to place your hands on the bar like you normally would, and then you're going to wrap this repeatedly, the tail end of that strap repeatedly around the bar. And when you do that, you'll feel almost as if you've got like a motorcycle or a snowmobile or a jet ski throttle. Vroom, vroom, vroom. Every time you pull that throttle, you will feel it cinch down on your wrist. And the more you pull that throttle back, the tighter it's going to get and the harder it's going to be for you to let go of that bar. So if you want it looser, you roll your wrist forward. If you want it tighter and more secure, you just keep rolling your wrist backward. You can see how much that's cinching down on my hand and cutting off the circulation. That's how tight you can make the grip if you want it. And then, of course, you go over to the other side, and it's a little bit harder because you've got to kind of use your fingers, to get it right into the position, but that's all you do. Now, I can't let go of this bar if I wanted to. So then if you go to deadlift this, that's basically it. I mean, you really have to rely on your grip strength very little. The straps are going to do most of the work for you. So you can go right into your lift, just like that. And then when you're ready to let go, all you do is just release them, let go, pull up, they come right off the bar. So pretty simple. And then when you're done, you can leave them looped so that they're easy to put on the next time. You just loosen it. It's kind of like a slide knot or a slip knot. And that's really all there is to it, guys. If you have any more questions, hit us up on Instagram or email. And I hope you love them. I've got them in my gym bag. I use them all the time. I absolutely love them. I think you will too. Take care, guys. Stay sharp.